What up? What up, 420? Yo, love the charts, man. I liked the charts last night. Yeah, my fucking internet's not on my Yo, what up, Jay Styles? What up, TJ? Yo, something happened to my freaking computer, my laptop. I don't have internet. Good morning, Marie. There we go. I got internet. I might scalp it right here, see if it holds above right. No, it's not going to hold. Dude, why is my internet not? What's up, Maria? What up, Tommy? Cove, did you say Bulenox is $16? I will look. I will look right now. If it's not, it will probably be $16 next week. Nah, it's not. It's not 16 bucks. I want to say it's probably like 30 right now, which I'm not buying at 30. I would not buy at 30. Just an FYI. I would just wait it out. I don't understand why they show all these, but this is the only account I actually have. Dude, you can't get on with Apex. It's crazy. Freaking website's down. I feel like the guys in Texas that can't access that one website. Bulenox is $26 for a 50K. That's not terrible, but for $10 more, you can get Apex, and the activation fee is $40 instead of $150. What up, Scalper? My funded futures will probably do that $59 deal, probably. That's what I would assume. 59 bucks. You don't have to use Project X on what? Project X is going away on all places. There'll be no more Project X. Yo, Apex is just, their website's fucking down. I'm literally they're running a deal right now on pro accounts, 20% off. Oh, Topstep owns Project X and has basically let everybody use it. And now they're pulling it back on everybody. They basically let everybody use it. So you know, people are like, oh, I like it. And then they take it back and now you can only use it on their platform. You know, it was like a marketing scheme. Being a schemer and scammer, letting people use it and then pull it back only on their own. So I don't even like Project X. So I'm fine not using Project X. I'm trying to figure out what fucking account I'm in. This is my core accounts. I'm going to shelf that for a little bit. This is my Lucid funded account. I'm going to see if I can get this up. This is the account held overnight. But I'm going to try getting this up to like $600 today. Are we not going to hold the 50? This is a great fucking spot to bounce. The 50 plus you got 900 plus you got this wick. It's going to take me out and then go up. Oh my God. I had such an itch. You know what's funny? I was talking to somebody this morning and we were saying to go short somewhere around here. The reasoning being we swept previous day high, came back through, and you'd kind of stop out at high a day. I think we might see 800. Don't want to fall too far, but well charts is the worst. Bro, wealth charts. Come on, baby. Come on, give daddy that push. Come on. Push it. I wonder who was saying that, Sean. It's better than wealth charts. Yeah. I mean, that was the move. At least I got something out of this. What did I get? I lost here, made back some of it. I think I made back a little bit more wherever. I mean, I think you need another indicator to go with those quads because you can ride overbought for a while. Like, were you shorting this? I mean, you got to remember NVIDIA earnings are today. Most likely they're going to push into NVIDIA earnings. Even this looks very controlled. You're not having a big drop or anything. This is very, like, just controlled. So if you got in short up here, like, I don't know if you got stopped at 85. So you got stopped. I don't short until you get a lower high. So once you have a lower high here, then I would say short. I wouldn't just short. Otherwise, you're trying to guess the tops. That's how I get fucked all the time. Trying to guess the highs. Never works for me. Dude, I'm getting excited. You don't pay me. That's the problem. I'm just curious. Like, I'm just looking at some of these freaking. Oh, I just cracked my ankles. Yo, your favorite firm, Elite, is doing direct to funded. And it's weird. It's 25Ks have a max loss of 2,500. Bro, how do they have this? It says, can you get paid fucking daily from it? Yo, it literally says profit target, none. Wait, what? What the fuck do you need to do to pass to get money here? What up, Monet? Did you say direct to ass? Yeah. I don't know. I haven't had an issue with them. Shockingly, no issues. I'm trying to fucking see though. Yo, Lee, I gotta look for it. My bad. I coached basketball after the stream, and I went from this to doing dinner to coaching basketball. And I literally came home. I was on the computer for like very little time, and then I was shot. I was so tired. Man, that is such a good fucking short. So you got the top of the orb at 764. I kind of like that. Is this where VWAP actually is? Let's zoom out and look. Do a little look-see. No, let's see. I can't believe that just happened to me. If it was any other day but NVIDIA earnings day, I probably would have taken that. But, man, we're coming down. Yo, so I only get the accounts when they do the beat the beast thing. I don't buy the accounts unless they do beat the beast. Just an FYI. So, do they pay? I've gotten paid every single time. I'm not going to do it. They do this thing called beat the beast, where like you only need to get like $2,000 in profit to pass any size account. So you could buy a 150 pass with only 2K of profit, and the first month is free. So, being that we are where we are, I'm going to wait until Black Friday to see if they do it again. So I wouldn't do me personally with them, I wouldn't do anything until Black Friday. What's the best deal I've seen like last year? My Funded Futures is definitely going to run a Black Friday deal, Steven. Yo, Beat the Meat Challenge is crazy that they run. What's the best Black Friday? Last year, the good ones were like Funded Ticks had one, not it wasn't Black Friday, but it was like $38 all in. That one was good. The $38 all in was good. That was really good. It was $38 for these accounts. Your payout cap each time you can request only 1,000, but it was definitely solid for $38. That was the cheapest all-in I've seen. $38, no activation fee. I'm trying to think of some of the other ones. So last year, Take Profit Trader ran the 40% off, no activation fee, get your money back with a payout. And at that time, that's the best deal that they ran. But then they ran it during the year this year. So, but that's like more expensive. I think My Funded Futures is going to do that $59 deal again, where they did $59 all in for the core accounts. That was a solid deal. I'm trying to think what else they had. The cheapest one I've ever seen was Funded Ticks. That's the only time I ever bought accounts with them. I bought accounts one time, but they capped you on how many accounts you could buy. So there's two things you want to look at. Yo, a 1-to-1. So you definitely want to look at if they rebill at that cheap amount. So like say you have Funded Ticks, or say you do like Lucid or whatever, and they do first month $40 off, but it rebills at $80, right? if you blow the account, it rebills at $80, or if you don't pass in a month and you want to keep it rebills. You also want to look at the ones that rebill at the discounted price, because those are like fucking money. Bro, this isn't going to hold.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
No, not going to hold. Fuck me, man. We literally just traveled 180 points to the 200, and it's not going to give a fucking, it's not even going to give a little bounce. I think it's going to bounce in this area. You've gone too much down. I'm probably going to light up a bunch of 5s and average in is what I'm going to do here. This ends up going back over. Dude, this is fucking ridiculous if it doesn't bounce here. I'm not even going to give you the stats until I see what happens. That was it. All right, I end up selling. I sold something for a profit. Get the fuck out of here. Show me that there's a bounce and I'll add. I will fucking add up. Just fucking bounce it, man. I made 400 on one combine. Dude, that's... Oh, are you fucking kidding? Yo, this thing's such a big piece of shit. I'm going to take profit early in this account. It's going to run like to 50 or something. Whatever. I'm fucking out. I will say I definitely made a little bit of money here. I definitely made money in the Lucid one. All these hit. Even though I lost a little here, I made more down here. Before I got into this trade here, I was down $700. So I sold some. And I'm debating on if I want to see it get back over the 200 is really what I would love to see. Yo, you're only down 50? Dude, Richard, that's a huge comeback. Yo, this thing is just killing me here. I appreciate you for not getting my order in and then dropping. Come on. Is this not going to be it? I'm not mad, NQ. I'm disappointed in you. Yo, flip this to the upside over. You want it to go lower? Lower BBL? What is that? Dude, super volatile piano. It might. It could definitely go down. It's definitely going to go to the right. That I could tell you. We're definitely going to the right. I don't like how long we're hanging in this spot, by the way. Typically, when it bounces, it should have bounced by now. I'm glad I'm out on the majority of my accounts. I'm just fucking hanging in this one. I know the second I sell, this thing's going to go up. Yo, you should make your first couple trades in a sim account, Richard. Lose, and then take out your real account. NQ down. Where do you think it's going to go down to, scalper? What are you looking for? Where do you think the NQ is going to go down to? You think we're going down to 500? I'm definitely going to get whipped out of this. I feel it. The longer it doesn't bounce, the more I fucking hate it. What up, Paul? There you go. I got stopped. What accounts is this? Is it? Yo, good luck. Richard, I'll see you later on. Boom, 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 boom. Cough real loud. Tuh. Yo, my fucking Ninja Trader just froze. Awesome. I gotta restart this bitch. Oh. Yo, anybody have that many issues with Ninja Trader, or is it just me? I literally just moved this over here, and we're back over here. I don't understand how that works. I literally just moved my Ninja Trader to my other screen, and now we're back on this screen. Is it going to pop up? Oh, it's going to pop up on this screen. Dude, I got so many fucking problems with this thing. You think it's going to dump? I don't know. Rhythmic Pro app? Dude, you talking about Rhythmic Trader Pro, that the one that looks like it's from like 2001? That one? Are you really using that thing? You can't really be using that thing. Probably works. All seriousness, it probably works. Dude, this thing's fucking whack. You have Crazy Harold. Bro, I haven't been the same since I blew my pro account. When'd you blow it? Like, did you blow it like yesterday or like a month ago? Like 6 months ago? Bouncing off the WAP? I think it's selling through the WAP. You paid to reset it? That's wild. Dude, it's like 600 and something bucks to reset. What, are you afraid of losing it? If you're afraid to lose, take profit traders 1,500 to reset. I got to ask a serious question. Why didn't you just buy like 5 50K accounts and just trade them and get them over for why wouldn't you just buy a bunch of them? I mean, you could pass for 1,500 bucks. You should be able to get like 3 or 4 right? That's just crazy. Hold on one sec. I'm just literally just freaking setting up my NinjaTrader, getting everything up. Dude, for $1,500, you could have 15 50Ks. If you had 15 50Ks, you got to be able to pass. 1 in 5 is 3 funded accounts. If you did 1 in 3, you got 5 funded accounts. I don't know, man. I thought it was like 600 bucks. I mean, but you still have to get over the buffer zone, right? When they give you when it's 1,500, they start you at 52,000 at the buffer, or you got to start, or you got to do the whole thing over. Like, how does it work? I actually don't know how it works. Dude, it's fucking wild. So I'm buying 5 micros if this is the bottom. Yeah, but you still got to trade that and get over the buffer, right? Yeah, it's freaking expensive. Maybe it's more expensive because you had the 150. You know what I'm saying? Dude, wild. I wish you the best, man. I mean, I guess one payout, it doesn't matter, right? You get one payout and you're all set. You know, one payout and boom, you locked. You can only use 15% of the balance in a live account. Yo, Juan, first of all, I appreciate it. But second of all, man, that's awesome that you passed. That's awesome, man. Would you just catch the run up today or the run down? If I had to guess you caught the one up. That's probably where you got it, is to the upside, if I were to guess. Both? Dude, that's freaking awesome. Dude, I'm just going to fucking ride this. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, fucking happens. Dude, this market fucking... I actually like when we move around like this because it creates opportunity for everything. It's just freaking wild. Dude, am I waiting for a good entry? Yeah, I want to see if we hold over here. I mean, I really felt like we were going to hold VWAP and bounce up. It's one of those days that you definitely don't want to use a lot of contracts. I can tell you that right now. I'm going to stop out. My plan is to hold this. Oh, my fucking copy trader is not. Fuck. My copy trader is not working because I had to reset Replicanto like a loser. Like a fucking loser, I had to reset Replicanto, and now I grabbed 2 micros in an Apex account to mimic the trade you see on here, but I wanted a copy trade. So I'm in 2 micros, and my goal is to kind of hold it until we come back up. I want to see us get over here. AD, we will see how great of a trade it is, hopefully. I'm in 2 micros, so if I get it on my other account, so that's small. I can let it move around. It's not that big of a deal. Oh, it's becoming a big fucking deal. I'm going to get stopped. I just got stopped. Fuck me, man. It was only 2 micros, so it wasn't bad at all, but really 40 something points. Nah, I'm going to get roasted. Wasn't a bad loss, but shit, like I just didn't see that coming. Jeez. Dude, they might bring this all the way down back to 576. Dude, I did not see them just. That's fucking crazy. You know what's nuts is at open, I was going to take a long and hold it all day no matter what. Holy shit. Bitcoin is below? Jeez. Bro, that's crazy. I'm probably going to end up jumping in Bitcoin at some point. I thought 84 would be the spot. I think it was like 84,000 is the spot. I mean, we're definitely up. But what happens intraday is intraday. I just think NVIDIA is going to come out and say they got crazy earnings because they probably do. I assume that their earnings are going to be massive. I'm excited. I don't care which way it goes. As like TJ says, as long as I can unfuck some accounts, I'm okay with it. That's all I'm trying to do is unfuck some accounts. Yeah, La Rosa. 1,000%. I have some accounts that have like $400 of drawdown that I'm going to be playing with. Maybe. Hopefully, it just gets me in and out. We shall see. These accounts are done anyways. Like, there's no coming back. They are down. They are down to like. They are fucking getting smoked. So, you know, I want to see us get back above this blue line before I go long. I wouldn't drift. I think NVIDIA reports earnings. I don't know what time they do, but it's probably pretty soon. I think it's like, oh, it's 4:20. Yeah, I got to. I'm gonna have to play around. Dude, I never even heard of that. Do they speak English or no? Yo, see you later. Dude, are they going to dump this here? Dude, this thing looks like it's going to fucking... Am I going to see you at the bottom orb? Is that what this is? This is I'll see you at the bottom orb? They better pick this shit up right now. Dude, have you ever seen the Korean show where they put a cockroach in the straw and two girls blow on it and then all of a sudden one of them eats the cockroach? Anyone seen that shit? Tell me someone's seen that. Bro, the cockroach one? All those freaking game shows? Oh. Wait, 420, what are you watching the thing I just said? The cockroach thing? Where did you find that on? Just on YouTube? Dude, it's amazing. It's amazing, amazing. Dude, why can't we get some game shows like that in the US? That shit's wild. Better yet, and bet on it. I saw the one with the massager. Wait, what's the one with the massager? Yeah, I don't know the massager one. I just remember watching the cockroach being like, holy shit. Yo, what up, Flip? Is Squid? I think Squid Games is Korean also, right? Squid Games was such a good idea, man. Whoever came up with that shit, great idea. I think Squid Games is a game show now. Did they ever turn into a video game? Squid Games video game? It would be a great fucking video game. Yeah, they have a, what do I think? It shows that the market's weak. Showing me how weak this market is what it's doing, Waldo. We only got Tulsa King. Bro, Tulsa King is okay. I mean, it's so fucking fakey. Like, what stopped the weed guy right away of just calling the cops on Sylvester Stallone, right? He could have called the cops on him in 2 seconds, and that would have been it. Made no sense. Bro, Landman, I got to watch season 2 Landman. I'm black and the black guy gets on my nerves. It happens. Monet's like, I hate that guy too. Yo, I watched Tulsa King season 1. I did not watch season 2. I'm out on season 2. He's like a he's like a kid. I don't know. He's like a younger guy. I don't know. It was so weird. Like, he just recruits this random guy to drive him around. The guy's dad is like, I don't know. I don't know. Fucking weird. Mayor of Kingston. Hold on one second. I got my fucking alarm won't stop beeping. Hold on one second. Mayor of Kingston. I'll put it on. I still gotta fix my fucking alarm. Yo, I'm not doing what the fuck? No, I thought he did Creed, man. Wasn't Creed good? Are you not a Creed fan? The new It series? That's with that fucking clown. Probably out on the clown, to be honest with you. Probably out on the clown. I'm not big into that clown shit, to be honest. I'm going to go watch Landman tonight, though. Landman is on my fucking watch list for tonight. Bro, Escape was good. Yo, 50 Cent was in Escape, right? Isn't that when him and Arnold Schwarzenegger? Escape the American Madness. Dude, this shit's going to go lower, man. This shit looks weak. What up, Newts? Yo, quick question for everybody. Yo, Mr. Mulatto. Yo, Sean, check your messages if you want. Yo, you just got your My Fund the Futures pays out in 2 seconds. Two seconds they pay out. Yo, here's a quick question. Yo, I gotta jump off because I gotta take a call, but I can go live in the Discord during lunch if you guys want. I just got a payout from TPT on day 3. That's pretty fucking solid. The boys is good. I like that shit. Dude, I'm telling you, I think we're going all the way downtown. So I'm going to go live in the Discord at 12:30. If you don't have the Discord link, here's the link, by the way. I like Discord because you guys can put fucking GIFs in. I'm probably going to bring, if Sean's around, Sean can come on and trade also. And you could hear more than just me talk. Either way, if he comes on or not, I'm going to be there around 12:30. Here's the link to it. I got to jump off now, though. I got to take an important call. So that's the link. I'll be there at 12:30. I'm just going to grab some food, do this call, and I'm going to be there. I'll be there 12:30, go live. I don't know how. I'll do at least an hour or whatever, but I want to have some fun in the Discord. All right. I'll see you there, guys. Peace.